All right, guys, let's tackle the last part of circles. We'll do another quick video. So this one, they give you the equation, but we need to make sure that we get it in to a form where the x's are together and the y's are together, and we have r squared by itself. So if we look at this, we need to combine these two. Okay, and we need to rearrange it so we can tackle those two there, and then we're just going to move c over there. So let's kind of rewrite this then. I'm going to take this and I'm going to say x squared plus 4x. I'm going to put that in parentheses because I need it in parentheses. And I'm going to do y squared plus, oops, not plus, minus 10y. Put that in parentheses because I need it in parentheses. And I'm going to move the 7 over, and we've got that so far. Okay? Sorry for the bleed through, guys. There was a pen. I did a problem in pen behind this, and it's bleeding through a little bit. Okay, so if we have this here, we need to turn it into a form like this. Well, we use complete the square to do that. So we're going to do b divided by 2. So b divided by 2 is 4 divided by 2. That's our b divided by 2, and we're going to square it. So plus 2 squared. Okay? That's my b divided by 2. In fact, I'll write it in here like this. 4 over 2 squared. All right. Now, I'm going to also do b, which is negative 10 divided by 2. Let me erase that. Negative 10 divided by 2, and I'm going to square that. Okay? Because that's completing the square. That's an addition sign. All right, so my question is remember what we talked about before. When we're dealing with an equation, what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So if I do 4 divided by 2 squared, that gives me 4, so I have to add 4 to this side. If I do negative 10 divided by 2, that's negative 5 squared, I'm going to add 25 to this side. Okay? So what I added to the equation over here, I'm adding it over there. So now, this is where the next step, so this is b divided by 2 squared. This is going to be x minus b divided by 2 squared. So if I take this here, x, sorry, it's a plus. X plus b divided by 2 squared. B divided by 2 is 2, and we square it. Plus y plus negative 5 squared equals 36. If you add all those up, you get 36. Now, all we do is clean this up. Let me write it in pen so you can see it. X plus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 36. All right, so my h and k, h equals negative 2, k is going to equal positive 5, opposite of each, and then my r is going to equal 6 because r squared is 36. Remember, that's r squared. So if I take the square root of that, that's 6. What does that tell me? That tells me if I graph this thing, I go to negative 2, I go up to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll kind of scale it a little differently. And then I'm going to go out 6 and then draw my circle around like that. Okay? R is 6. And this is negative 2. and 5 is my center. So that's my center. Center is -2 and 5. All right, guys, that's how you graph a circle and using complete the square.